Tonight on Prime News, on the eve of the Marriage Equality Bill's first reading, its opponents present MPs with a 50,000 signature petition.
This is Prime News, first at 5:30.
Kia ora, good evening. It's claimed church ministers who refuse to marry same-sex couples would be breaking the law if Lewis Wall's bill to legalise gay marriage is passed. The bill is expected to make it through its first reading in Parliament tomorrow afternoon. Its opponents today delivered a petition of 50,000 signatures to MPs. They've also released a legal opinion that suggests the law could force those with a moral objection to either perform the ceremonies or give up being a celebrant.
Nearly 50,000 signatures supporting the definition of marriage as it stands, arriving on the steps of Parliament.
Marriage has always been indicative of a man and a woman because of the potential for children, and so it serves an important role and function in encouraging that.
Family First says civil unions give the legal recognition gay couples seek, and despite assurances from the Human Rights Commissioner, they're still worried churches won't be able to refuse gay marriages.
The politicians have tried to sell that same message, but we've had legal opinion which has been backed up by QC saying no, that's not the case.
Auckland barrister Ian Bassett's legal opinion suggests under the bill, ministers with a moral objection would be forced to either marry same-sex couples or stop providing that service to the public. However, that's disputed by the bill's author.
They choose who they marry, they choose what definition of marriage they have, and so my bill isn't going to affect them in any way. So what I'm asking them for is some tolerance. With
just one day left to lobby votes, the position of MPs' consciences and constituents is getting clearer.
My guess is the majority won't back it, but there'll be a slightly larger rump that are likely to vote for it than we might otherwise think.
We've got a solid 60 in support, so I think a few of the undecideds will hopefully join our team.
I'm voting for the bill for the first reading.
I just don't feel any need for it.
However, New Zealand First is remaining coy about whether they'll vote against it or abstain.
There's still the opportunity for a referendum. If there's a referendum in the bill, we'll support it. If not, I won't.
We'll have to wait and see.
Whether these signatures will impact those on the fence will be seen tomorrow night. Yvette McCullough, Sky News.